Oh my god. Just go.
Trying to get high, days be clowning. We got nothing to do, I'll be smiling. No, I ain't frowning, my weed ain't buying. It's so dank when I get it in the kush. It makes one of people sit back and hush. I keep it on the shush, if a nigga wanna sip. I still got the gap load to tell you ahead.
Probably wrote it down. But
Nothing is written down that I say.
you always write down.
I write down, but nothing here I said. Kyle's read all of
Alright, hold on. Alright. Can I spit one of my flows that I written down? Alright.
No.
Alright, just a little bit, just a little
It's
bit.
gotta be freestyle.
Alright, only freestyle.
But now I know you're gonna say it when you read it.
No. Down on everything. Alright. Yo, I snort up the rocks, look like you got chicken pox. Motherfuckers going down, straight pull out the blocks. Know I let it pop, never wanna stop. Cause you know I never get wanna stop by the cops. I didn't make sense, no I didn't really. Motherfuckers know I straight thought on the steelies. No, not still reserve version. You know motherfucking straight turn and swervers. No, athletic DPT, that says what it says on Darnell's t-shirt. Shit, I fucked up. Yes I did, oh yeah. Damn it. Fuck. Damn it. Bitch.